This is a set of 3 silicone-covered kitchen tongs. I was sent these to review for free. If you wanted to purchase them, they would cost you $9.99. So in the package, we get these tongs, and even though they have the kind of locking back handle, they are secured with these little twist ties. So when you open the twist tie, they will open up, and you can use them. If you pinch them in and pull, it will lock shut so they can stay in your drawer without being, popped out like this. So they are metal, kind of a thin metal that's folded into a C-shaped bar here. They have a spring on the inside to keep them apart to make it easy to use. And they have a silicone. It's kind of overmolded onto the metal and onto this ring here. And this bit here kind of looks like it's pushed in and then crimped. It looks like the metal is crimped on these little things here at the end. And so all 3 of them have similar manufacturing. They're just different sizes. And so the width of this metal is a little bit wider for the large and medium-sized ones than it is from the small one. But the general appearance and how they work with this little hanging hook that also locks it shut is the same. And this is crimped in here as well, whereas these pieces are overmolded into the handles. Okay, I'm going to take these, put them through the dishwasher, and then try them out. Alright, I've been using these guys in the kitchen, throwing them through the dishwasher a couple of times. They've worked exactly as you would expect a pair of tongs to work, and they have the advantage that with the silicone tips here we can move around things in a skillet that's a non-stick skillet, not worrying about scraping up the skillet. So if you're looking for a set of silicone tongs that are suitable for non-stick cookware or anything you use tongs for in general, these guys were working out for me just fine.